Welcome to my shed. Today, nice and quick. I'm not going to clean it all out. I'm just going to take 5 minutes, go through here as quickly as I can, just purge stuff that I know without any thoughts, without any decisions that they have to go. First thing is the kiddie pool from last year. Somebody who will remain nameless used to chew at it and put a hole in it and dig in it. So it's got to go. That's one. We've got 3 scrapers for the car. These two, this one's got duct tape on it, so it's obviously broken. We just finished winter, and these stayed in here all winter, so obviously we don't need them. It's 3 more items. Now we're up to 4. Oh, let's see what else we can find in here real quick. Oh, up here. We've got this lovely pole up in the rafters, homemade. Somebody made it. It's for kids when they're learning to parallel park to get their driver's license. Everybody here has their driver's license. We had 2 of them. I think we lent one out. We don't need this anymore. It's gone. That's number 5. We were looking for this the other day when we were having a bonfire. Now I know where it is. Kettles for camping, not needed. We will keep one and get rid of the other one. That's 6. This cooler has been up there for so long and we don't use it. So let's bless somebody else with it. It is cooler season. That's number 7. Got this watering can that's more decorative than actually useful. That's number 8. A hook or something. Never going to use it. That's number 9. We just bought a sprinkler because this one doesn't work, but we didn't get rid of the old one. That's number 10. We have this shelf that's from something. I have no idea what it's from. That's number 11. This rod, which is bent from some curtains or something, I don't know, we wouldn't even know it's up there. That's number 12. We've got 2 nasty pool noodles, so that's 13 and 14. It looks like something's been nibbling on. We don't even have a pool, so there goes the pool noodles. I was looking for that. Now I know where it is. We've got 2 curling brooms. How very Canadian is that? But we don't use these 2 anymore. We have a nicer one, and if we need more than one, we can always borrow it. So that was, I think that's 14, maybe this is 15 and 16. We've got some broken glasses. That's 17. A mask. Thank goodness we don't need those anymore. That's 18. A broken pitchfork. It's broken. That's 19. Filming in the shed, the camera, it said the internal temperature got too high and it kept shutting off. It is that hot out. So I found 2 more things in the shed, which brought me a total of 21. One was just an empty bottle of some car wax, and the other thing was the Christmas tree made from wood pallets, which we loved, but it doesn't work anymore. So now we need to make a trip either to the dump, the Salvation Army, get rid of all that stuff. But that's how easy it is. 5 minutes, 21 items, and that's the shed. When it's mostly my husband's stuff in there, and as I've said before, you can't get rid of other people's clutter. I don't know what he wants, what he doesn't want. I just knew the obvious things. So 21 things, 5 minutes in the shed, done. That's how easy it is to slowly become a minimalist. 5 minutes one day, 5 minutes the next day, and you'll slowly see all your possessions start to whittle down. You'll have more space in your life for other things. You'll get rid of the old, make space for the new. But be kind to yourself. That's the most important thing. Be kind to yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.